Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to dye my hair. I want to change the color of my hair using this product, Putting Hair Color by EZN. In Hangul it's EZN. So a few months ago I already dyed my hair actually using this product, but with a different color. I use Fina Brown, but now I will use the Ash Beige. So all I can say that this video will be a different videos from my previous videos, which maybe some of you already watch it. Like I usually make a videos of music cover or like a scholarship formation or dorm tour of my university, but today I'm gonna give some kind like a review and tutorial of one of Korean hair color product, which is Putting Hair Color. So stay tuned with me. So I just changed my shirt because as you can see that before I wore a white shirt and it would be too risky if I tie my hair while wearing a white shirt. So I changed to this one instead. So let's begin. So actually I bought this like a few months ago from Olive Young. I bought it like for 6,000 won. Like there was like a big sale that day. So actually it cost about 14,000 won, but because there was a sale, so like they got the price to like half of it, more than half of it, so I can get a cheaper price. So let's see what's inside. Actually I already saw it, but I'm gonna show you what's inside. Okay, so first of all there is like this small box inside, and I think okay, this one is the ear cover to cover your ear, and this is just like a guidebook, something like that. And oh, they always give like a bonus, like from Dr. Boku. It's like some kind of, I don't know, like a conditioner or something like that. Anyway, it's like one of the hair products. And then there is a glove or a hand gun for you to dye your hair. You can use it to dye your hair. And another one is a bib to cover your shirt. Okay, and then this is the product. Okay, see this. And inside there are two kind of liquid solution which you have to mix them together to get the color you want. So I don't really know what's the name of this one or this one, but the point is you have to mix them together, and I will show you how to do that. So I'm gonna start by using this ear cover because the first time, like a few months ago, when I dyed my hair using this product, I accidentally, like, you know, the hair color product like got into my ear, and it was so hard to clean it. So I'm gonna cover my ear using this one. Okay, now I think I'm done covering my ear. Okay, and now let's use this one. Okay, peel to open. Okay, that's how you do it. And now I'm gonna wear this glove. It's so weird. Okay. And then throw on. And this is the most important part. I'm gonna mix So this product is quite unique because I'm gonna show it later why it's unique. First of all, we have to mix it. This one, so the ratio will be like 1 to 1, and then another one is this one. So I'm gonna mix it. Okay. And here comes the interesting part. Okay, close it. Okay, and then just shake it to mix it all together. Oh my gosh, make sure that you close it tightly so it won't spill out. Okay, oh my gosh. Mix together. Shake it together. Okay, so I think now it's already done. Let's check inside. Oh, it's quite hot. Okay, so it will turn like this. It's like a jelly. Before it's like water, like a liquid, and now when you mix it all together and shake it, it will turn to a jelly consistency like this one. Okay, so what you have to do after that, you just need to apply it by using your hand to your hair. Okay, I'm just gonna look at the mirror. I have my mirror here, so you see, I'm just gonna use this one. Actually, I have a really bad sight, so I need to wear glasses, but because I don't really like wearing glasses, so most of the times I will like, when I make videos, of course, I will like, you know, not wearing my glasses. So, but it's so difficult. Okay. Yeah, sometimes I wear contact lens too, but you know, the size, like I have like a big cylinder in my other eyes, so, and it's so hard to find the correct size for my contact lens because of that. Okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do this very quickly. Okay, so now I think it's all done, and I just need to wait like around 20 to 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna wash it and dry it. Let's see the result of it. Okay. Okay, so here you guys, this is the result of the pudding hair color by EZN. I used the ash beige, and I really love the result. It looks much brighter than before. The previous one that I used, it was Vina brown, and yeah, I really love this product. As you can see, although we only used our hand to dye the hair, but all the sections and all parts of my hair are colored. Yeah, you can see it here. I really love this one. So if you guys want to purchase this product, it's really worth the price, and you can get a cheap but very good quality hair color. Okay, so I think that's all. See you in another videos. Bye.